Hello, and welcome to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we are going to show you how to make classic Lebanese tabbouleh with no mint. Oh yeah. Now, first thing we're going to need to do is get our bulgur going. And what we're going to do is take a quarter cup of bulgur, add it to a nice bowl. As you see here, this is bulgur number 1, the smaller one. Take some boiled water and add enough water to cover about a quarter inch above the bulgur in the bowl. Set that aside for about 30 minutes and let's get our parsley out. These are 3 bunches of parsley. What we're going to do is cut off the stems and then we're going to chop these into small pieces. Now I like to use a food processor for this. Makes things much easier and it makes things more uniform. To help things along, I like to add a little extra virgin olive oil into the food processor while I'm getting this bad boy going. Now be careful, you don't want to chop this into a paste, so just pulse this until you get the desired consistency. Everything should be nice and uniform and it's going to be just right. I'm going to take this first batch out, put it into my bowl over here, and as you can see it's nice and chopped. Then I'm going to take the rest of the tops of these wonderful parsley flakes, pop them into my food processor, and we're going to chop the rest of this up. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Sometimes things get a little mashed up on one side. Just even it out. Watch your fingers. Pulse, pulse, pulse. And we're good to go. Wow, the smell of fresh parsley. It's amazing. Look at that. Oh, beautiful. Oh, yes. All right, next thing we're going to do is we're going to chop up 2 tomatoes. Now, the way I like to do it to get nice even chop is to cut them like an onion. First chop them along the bias and then cut them horizontally. And then just like an onion, you get nice, evenly chopped pieces. Oh, hey guys, don't forget, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon to make sure you get updates on new episodes as they come out. It's the only way that you'll know, and it helps our channel a lot. And the best of all, it's free. Alright, now we're going to put this in with the parsley flakes, and we're going to chop up the other tomato like so, and just pop it in there. Now, this is a very large green onion. I'm going to use 2 of these. If you have standard green onions, I suggest you use approximately 3 to 4 to taste. Now, I slice this in crosswise on the white side of the onion to get nice even cuts. And then we're going to just chop this up finely into small little pieces, about the same size as the parsley. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Just like so. Now what I like to do is just to make sure everything's got a nice even keel is I'll just do this little dicey. Chop along the cutting board with my knife. Get everything nice and placed into my bowl. Perfect. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It's almost like Christmas, isn't it? Alright, little secret. To get the juice flowing in your lemon, just roll it on your cutting board until it gets nice and soft, and then give it a good squeeze, just like that. Ugh. If you get some seeds into your salad, don't worry, just pull them out like so. If you can get them all, make sure you don't want to bite into any of those. Maybe you should have taken the seeds out first, Uncle Bill. All right. Now, I like to take about a teaspoon of minced garlic, add that to my bowl, and here is our bulgur. We're going to throw that all in there as well. As you can see, it has absorbed all of that water that we've placed in, and it looks like a lot, but just wait. Now we're going to add a quarter cup of extra virgin olive oil, and we're going to mix this all together. Now, take your time, it can get a little bit messy, and you want to make sure that that bulgur is nicely intertwined throughout all of the parsley. The great thing about this bulgur is it's really healthy for you, and it also soaks up a lot of the juices that come out of the parsley as time goes on. So it's going to really infuse with the flavor of this salad. It's wonderful. All right, now we're going to take a little Himalayan sea salt. Oh yeah, this is new to me, but everyone says it's healthy, so let's go with it. Put about a teaspoon of that bad boy and some freshly ground black pepper. Oh yeah, that's going to be just perfect. And we're going to stir that and combine as well. This is so wonderful. It's a great side dish for anything that you've got going on. It's really refreshing. It's great for the summertime. It's cool, and it lasts at least about a week and a half in your fridge, and it's really cheap to make. Take a look. Beautiful, wonderful, delicious, tangy, bright, goes great with a falafel. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to like and subscribe for future updates, as it helps our channel a lot and costs you absolutely nothing. Take care.